Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Got to make another prop for my experimental horror film, SIJ, It's All About Choice, out of a piece of burlap. And so what I did is I went ahead and took a pair of scissors and I cut the top off the bag. It's a small burlap bag. Alright, next I've went ahead and start ripping the seam out of it so I can use one part of it. And I'm going to continue that. Alright, so next I'm going to start drawing it out, as you can see. That should be good. Alright, I got my Star of David, now I just got to cut it out. Okay, so now that I've cut all this excess away of this burlap right here, I've got my Star of David. So next I'm going to age it. You're probably wondering how is that going to happen. It's kind of like going into an antique shop where you see antique baby carriages, things like that, as I may have mentioned in another video, and they charge hundreds of dollars for, okay? Well, actually it's not an antique at all. I'm going to show you what they do. What they do is they fake it. They make it themselves and they fake it. I'll show you what's going on with that and how to do it. But at any rate, besides that, I've got my burlap prop, Star of David, for my experimental film, SIJ, It's All About Choice. Okay, so here's how you antique something. Take it out into a dirty area, outside into the elements, put it down, and I generally put something on top of it that's heavy. Just like those baby carriages I was talking about, they hand make those things new, and they put them outside and let them weather in the elements for about 6 months at least. So that's what I got to do here. Something just like that, and then I will use this in my experimental horror film, SIJ, It's All About Choice. Alright? Okay, so that's how you antique a prop. Okay? Especially if you want to use it for a movie. You know, you go to those antique shops and they've got something like that, you know, that's more than likely how it is. Okay? They've made it themselves, and they just put it out in the elements for about 6 months. Get it rained on, get it dirty, that type of thing. It rust out, whatever the prop may be. In this case, I gotta watch it because it's burlap, it's cloth. Now I don't want it to tear. So I'm gonna have it age for a shorter amount of time. Okay? Then color it, stuff like that. And then use it for what I gotta use it for, my experimental horror film. And get it on film. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!